Are you a handmade business owner looking for ways to sell more of your product? If so, wholesale may be a great option for you. Before we start, let's talk about what wholesale is. Wholesale is the sale of goods and services to retailers, who in turn sell to consumers. In order to remain competitive, many retailers require that the products they purchase from wholesalers be offered at keystone pricing. This means that the wholesale price of the product must be 50% off of your retail price. For example, if a retailer sells a necklace for $20, the wholesale price of that necklace must be at least $10. This policy helps to ensure that the retailer can make a profit on each sale while still offering a reasonable price to consumers. Reason number 1. Wholesaling your handmade products can increase your sales and grow your business. Many handmade business owners are always looking for new ways to bring in additional revenue. Offering wholesale to other businesses can be a great way to do this. When retailers place orders, they can range anywhere from hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars. The additional cash flow this generates can help your business expand. Maybe you grab that new mixer you've been eyeing, perhaps you hire a graphic designer to rework your packaging, or maybe you invest in some new marketing materials. Whatever it is, the money can be used to grow your business and increase your profit margins. Reason number 2. When you sell your products through a retailer, you're tapping into their customer base. This gives you access to potential customers who may not have heard of your product or who may not know how to find it. When you sell wholesale, you're not limited to just your local community. Potential buyers from all over the world can find and purchase your products. Additionally, wholesaling can help you build relationships with retailers and distributors who can help promote and sell your product. Pro tip: I have some easy ways to gain new customers with your wholesaled products. You can add your website and social media handles on all of your packaging. You can also add coupons in with your product. For example, we include specialty coupon codes on square-shaped business cards with all of the wholesaled soap that we sell. We can then track that discount code to see how many new customers have been created using this strategy. And finally, reason number 3. Wholesaling can help you save money on the manufacturing of your products. Increased production leads to bulk discounts. When you make your products in bulk, you can sell them at a discounted price and still make a profit. When it comes to making a product, buying the materials in bulk can often lead to a lower overall cost. This is because the supplier will usually give a discounted price for buying a larger quantity of the material needed. In some cases, this discount can be significant enough that it ends up being cheaper to make a larger quantity of the product than to make smaller quantities, increasing your profit margins for both your retail and wholesale products. As you can see, there are many reasons to wholesale your handmade products. It can help increase your overall sales, attract new shiny customers, and lower your overall cost for increased production. With so many benefits, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for ways to grow your business. So what do you think? Is wholesale right for your business? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.